so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw a house or a home. Whoa, a house is a place where people live. And sometimes those people, that family, they might even have pets live in that house too. All right, I'm gonna use a brown marker and I'm gonna draw a square, just like this. Whoa, what a great square. Now I'm gonna draw a triangle on top. Whoop, there we go. Whoa, a square with a triangle. And then I'm gonna draw some more squares for the windows so then the people can look outside. Wow, look at that. I drew a square and I made a plus symbol and made 4 squares because of that. Okay, there we go. Here's another one. Wow, and I'm gonna do a door and I'm gonna do an arched line just like that with a door handle. Wow, and this house, actually, I'm gonna make sure has a front yard with grass. Whoa, green grass. It must be spring or summer. Well, I sure do love drawing, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a bus. Not just any bus, Buster the bus from Go Buster. Wow, Buster is so cool. Yeah, he takes his job very serious, but not too seriously because he always has a smile. All right, to draw Buster, I'm gonna take a black marker and draw a rectangle, but with rounded corners. There we go. How does that look? Whoa, and let's draw a circle down here for a wheel and a tire. Ooh, and a little circle inside. Ooh, and a square right down there. All right, let's draw a rectangle right here for the front windshield, and then a smiley face, but you can't forget about the eyes, those half circles right there. And let's start coloring things in. All right, tires, as you know, are black. Yeah, there we go. But you can't also forget about the rear view mirrors. And then what color is Buster? Yeah, yellow. Here we go. Whoa! Cool, there you go, Buster. Now you have some color. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Ooh. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you know what Halloween is? Yeah, it's that holiday where you go from house to house and go trick-or-treating and get candy. Oh, I love candy. And those houses are all decorated, really spooky. Yeah, with jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts. Hey, why don't you and I draw ghosts today? All right, let me take this black marker and draw a very big curved line. Ooh, and then I'll do some curves at the bottom, just like that. Whoa! And then I'll draw an arm, another curved line. Woo, with 3 fingers on that side, and on this side, with 3 fingers as well. Whoa, cool. And I'll draw a circle right there for one eye, and one right there, but I'm gonna fill it in. Whoa, and then I'll draw a circle for the mouth, and it's saying right there, spooky. Whoa, wow, I love Halloween, and I love you, Ghost. You are so silly. If you want to keep drawing with me, yeah, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever played on a playground outside at the park? Wow, isn't it so much fun? I love swinging on the swings. Hey, why don't you and we draw a swing together? All right, I'm gonna start with the color black, and I'm gonna make, looks like the smile on a smiley face. Whoa, but I'm actually making the seat just like that. And I'm gonna do 2 of them. Whoa, yeah, it also kind of looks like a banana, huh? All right, then let's do 4 vertical lines just like that. All right, now let's draw the start of a square. Don't connect the bottom. And then let's draw 2 diagonal lines, and there it is. There's a swing. But hey, what's at a park most of the time? Yeah, a lot of grass. Whoa, what a beautiful swing set. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know what machine I was acting like? Yeah, an excavator. And today, you and I are gonna draw an excavator. All right, let's take the black and the orange marker and let's draw some shapes. First, let's draw a very long rectangle. Whoa, just like that. And then let's draw a square on top of that one. And a square inside the square for the window. That's where the operator sits. All right, and then a very long rectangle like this. Yeah, and a circle right here. Another rectangle right there. Yeah, and now we need to draw the bucket. Some teeth. Whoa, cool! Now we have the arm, the boom, and the bucket. And now we need to draw a very long oval with some small circles on the inside, just like that. Whoa, that was so much fun. And I love excavators. And if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, I'm climbing up a ladder. I'm acting like a firefighter to save someone. I'll come help you. Hey, why don't you and I draw a ladder? Ladders are so useful. Yeah, for firefighters. So then they can get up to the top of the building and help people. Or maybe you're a painter and you need to get up really high to paint the ceiling. Whoa. All right, to draw a ladder, let's draw a diagonal line just like that. Whoa. And then another diagonal line just like that. And watch this. We'll do 2 more lines right next to them. And then if you make an arch up here, an arch right there, one at the bottom, one at the bottom, now they're really long ovals. And then if we draw some horizontal lines just like this, that is what you use to step on. Yeah, those are the steps. I sure do love drawing. And if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Remember that one time we got to hang out with Bowie the rainbow and learn about rain? Yeah, that was so much fun. Why don't you and I draw Bowie together? All right, I'm going to take black and draw some lines like this to make clouds. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And we need 2 big arches like that. Whoa, yeah, there we go. And now 2 circles for his eyes. There we go. And a big smile because he is nice and happy. There we go. We can't forget about his eyebrows up there. And then his arms. Whoa, yeah. And his hands right up there. Whoa. Whoa, Bowie was so fun, wasn't he? Whoa. I sure do love drawing. And Bowie, you're fun too. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye, Bowie. Bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!